Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Sport HSE Dynamic in Eiger Grey. This is a 3-litre diesel. It's previously had only one owner and is next due for a service in September 21. You have 22-inch gloss black alloys, giving the car a real sporty appearance. A powered tailgate, which is useful if you've got your hands full. Plenty of space in the boot for things such as golf clubs, pushchairs and holiday luggage. And going round and into the front, you have keyless entry, so I can unlock the car just by pulling the handle as long as the key's nearby. Deployable side steps, making it easier to get in and out of the vehicle. Illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a gorgeous ebony leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, great to open on a sunny day or just for some fresh air, but you do also have a sunblind which can be pulled all the way across if you wish. Heated front seats which are really nice in the winter. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you have a rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier, especially in a bigger car. Touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with eco data which tells you how well the car's been driven, and you can also see your history. You can turn off your side steps if you wish. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control. They do also have blind spot monitor, which are all really helpful along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, memory seats, ideal if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system. You also have electrically folding wing mirrors, which is perfect if you're in a tight space, can prevent them from being damaged. This car's done 41,366 miles, and you also have head-up display, enabling you to keep your eyes on the road, and you can adjust this whether that's the positioning, brightness or content that you would like to see in front of you. Stepping back outside the car, that was a stunning Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call Stafford Land Rover on 01785 899 446. Thank you.